Hello, today I'm going to practice saying sound diphthongs. O, A, ow, ear, ur, air. O, open, blown, phone, cold, rope, coach, slow, road, roam. Does you know how to drive on the road? I need to blow my nose when I have a cold. I don't know where the hole is on the coat. Next sound A, baby, rain, chase, day, paper, answer, Asia, basic, face, China. David began surfing when he was 18. The rainbow appeared when daylight changed. The baby snake lived in a pet cage. Next is sound owl, now, house, round, loud, round, sound, out, found, south, mouth, mouse, flower, thousand, count. Her house is on the south side of the mountain. The brown couch is downstairs. Are you going to our house? Next sound ear, here, there, near, fear, dear. My house is near here. This is my dear. I can't hear. Next sound is sure, tour, tourist, furious. I'm not sure. I'm really feel furious. And the last sound is air, chair, where, careful, where, there, where, there. Where do you live? I have been there. That's my chair. Okay, thank you for listening.